Asterisk Newton's second law of motion. MAT_HBFF equals M. Math Phi. This equation forms the basis of classical mechanics relating force MAT_HBFF, mass meter, and acceleration MAT_HBFA, asterisk. Einstein's theory of general relativity field equations. Our underscore mu, nu, frac 1 to our g underscore, mu, nu plus, lambda g underscore, mu, nu equals, frac 8, pi gc yt underscore, mu, nu. These complex tensor equations describe gravity not as a force but as a curvature of spacetime caused by mass and energy. They revolutionized our understanding of cosmology and astrophysics, asterisk. Maxwell's equations, nabla, c det, MAT_HBFE equals, frac, rho, epsilon underscore 0, nabla, c det, MAT_HBFB equals times MAT_HBFE equals frac partially math b partial t nabla times MAT_HBFB equals a mu underscore 0 MAT_HBFJ plus mu underscore 0 epsilon underscore 0 frac partially math phi partial t. This set of four equations unifies electricity and magnetism, describing the behavior of electric and magnetic fields and their interaction with electric charges and currents. They also predict the existence of electromagnetic waves, i.e. light, asterisk. The SCH Radinger equation, IHBR, frac, partial t psi math phar, t equals au hat h, psi math phar, t. As we discussed earlier, this equation is the foundation of non-relativistic quantum mechanics, describing how the quantum state of a system evolves over time. Asterisk Einstein's mass-energy equivalence, E equals mca. This iconic equation from special relativity reveals the fundamental equivalence of mass and energy, where E is energy, m is mass, and c is the speed of light. It has profound implications for nuclear physics and our understanding of energy generation in stars, asterisk. The second law of thermodynamics, delta S, Jec 0. In its most general form, this law states that the total entropy, a measure of disorder or randomness of an isolated system, can only increase over time or remain constant in ideal cases. It governs the direction of natural processes. Asterisk Newton's law of universal gravitation. F equals g a frac m underscore 1 meter underscore to RA. This law describes the attractive force between two objects with mass meter underscore 1 and m underscore 2 separated by a distance r, where g is the gravitational constant. It explains the motion of planets, stars, and galaxies, asterisk. Euler's identity. EI. Pi plus 1 equals 0. While mathematical in nature, this equation is often cited for its beauty and the surprising connection it establishes between 5 fundamental mathematical constants, e the base of the natural logarithm, I the imaginary unit, pi, 1, and 0. It has deep connections to complex analysis and Fourier analysis, which are crucial in many areas of physics, asterisk. The wave equation, frac, partial AU, partial TA equals VA, frac, partial to U, partial XA. This partial differential equation describes the propagation of various types of waves, such as mechanical waves, for example, sound waves, waves on a string, and electromagnetic waves. Here, U represents the wave displacement, T is time, X is position, and